Let's taste this one. Crunchy. Then the seasoning is lemongrass, lemon. Hi, this is Charles. Have you ever tried Thai food? And what is your favorite Thai food? Tom Yum, Pad Thai, or others? In this video, I'm gonna try 3 Thai specialities. Let's check it out.
And it makes the perfect starting point for my dish. Lovely lamb kebabs with a tangy tomato salad.
Watching all these cooking shows really make me hungry. I think I'm gonna order some food online. Okay, all done. So I just have to wait for the delivery. The delivery charge is $3. The delivery is here. I got my food. Okay, I got my Thai food. Let's check what I've got. The sauce. You have the lime. You have the papaya, the green papaya. Then you have the long beans, green papaya, long beans, peanuts, and the dry shrimp. Dry shrimp. Peanuts. Piece of lime. Everything you made. Now it's time to try. Actually, after a while, it tastes better. It smells so good. So you have the fresh mango, you have the coconut cream, and you have some crumbled things. This is like a crunch thing. Mango. The sweetness of the coconut cream, the savory taste of the sticky rice, and the sweetness of the mango, the tangy mango, sweet mango, and then it just blend the different kinds of taste in your mouth. So you have this sweet, savory, and a bit of tardiness from the mango. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna try the main course now. So this is kai chap, the fried chicken salad. It's kind of spicy and sour. Let's taste this one. Crunchy. Then the seasoning is lemongrass, lemon, and all the different Thai spices. It's very appetizing. See you again. Bye bye.